let me just remind you, whenever we mention mensuration, what we need to know is the formula. And by the time you know the formula, the next thing you think you need is, so as I have said, what we need under this topic is the change of subject or formula. That is, we try to make us see the surface of the cylinder is in three parts. Okay, thank you, sir. So two circular faces, that is two, and one curved surface. We said what the surface of the cylinder is in three parts. As you can see the label, we have the one on top is a circle. That is what you see circular face. This is the first part. This is another circular end. This one here, that is another one. This is the fourth part. This part, when we do the make and take, the part you hold is the curved surface. So when we turn it into a net, it will become this. This is the part that saying this is the two circular face. This is the curved side. So the net of the cylinder is in a plane shape. That plane shape is what is going to give us. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue on the rectangle. The total surface area of the cylinder is the total area of the two sets and rectangle. So now, this is what we need to know, the formula. Formula for surface area of the cylinder. Consider a cylinder. Okay, so if you want to calculate the surface area, remember it has three surfaces. This is one surface, this is another surface, making three surfaces. You know what? Okay, so when they ask you to calculate curved surface, it means you have to calculate this place. This is the curved surface. This place. This is the curve. This is a circular place. So this place is just like calculating area of circle. That is this place. That is just calculating area of circle. Now let us count area of the two circular faces. You all know the formula for area of the circle. What is the formula? Anybody now? For area of the circle, what formula do we use?
Pi r square.
Thank you very much. Now, area of two circular faces. This is the area of the first circle. This is the area of the second circle. Okay, since the two of them are in one object, we add them together. So the area of the two circular faces is now what? Is what?
2 pi r square. 2 pi r square.
Thank you, thank you. How do we get the 2 pi r squared?
You add pi r square plus pi r square.
Thank you. We add the area of the two circular faces. We add the area of this circle plus the area of this circle give us the area of the two circular faces. Fine. Now the curved surface, that is this part. Now the curved surface is equivalent to a plain rectangle. You must have seen that one when we turn it to net. You can see the plain rectangle. So length of the rectangle is equal to circumference of the circular face, which is 2 pi r. Circumference, you all know that one now, perimeter, 2 pi r. So breadth of the rectangle, that is the height, that is. So area of the rectangle, now that circumference 2 pi r h. Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Area of the curved surface. Remember, the curved surface of the cylinder is this part we hold. This part. Now, this is the circular face. Another circular. So, curved surface, it means the area of this part. So, the area of the curved surface is 2 pi r h. Now, when the question now says total surface area, total surface, how many surfaces do we have in a cylinder? Somebody. How many surfaces do we have in a cylinder? There are three surfaces. We have two circular faces and one curved face. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a circle. That is one face. The bottom is also a circle. That is another face, making two. Then that part you are holding, when you are holding your cup, for example, that part is the cup surface. So making three faces. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
That is what we said that a cylinder has three faces under the property. So total surface area is going to be area of the circular face, which is by r square, plus area of the curved surface, which is
by r
h, then plus the area of this circle by r square. That is the meaning of the total surface area. Since there are three surfaces in a cylinder, we add the area of the three faces, and that is what you see here. This is area of the two circular face by r square plus by r square, and this is the area of the curved surface. All together, we now factorize it to give us this. Might not make sense here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, what is the formula to calculate curved surface area of a cylinder? Curved surface area of a cylinder, I shorten it to CSA of cylinder. Curved surface area. Anybody?
2 by r square plus 2 by r h.
You see what I have here? Curved surface area of a cylinder is what?
2 by r h.
2 by r h. By r h. Remember the formula, and I want to know those that are following. That is why it will follow. Okay, surface area of the cup. This is the cup side. I don't rest on. Has a circular base of radius 7 and height of 10 centimeters. Taking the value of 5 to be 22 over 7, then calculate its curved surface area. B, the area of its circular base. As I have told you, what we need under this topic is the formula. So, to answer question A, and they say calculate its curved surface area. So I will shorten this one up. Curved surface area of cone, of cylinder. You can remind me.
2 by r h.
2 by r h. Thank you. 2 by r h. So now we want to write the formula out. We have CSA is equal to 2 by r h. So we are going to do what we call substitution now. So 2 by r h means 2 times 5. What is the value of 5?
22 over 7.
Thank you. 22 over 7. And the radius is what?
7.
10 over 1. Can you see that? So CSA of cylinder equals this 7. We divide this 7. You agree with me? Thank you. So we are left with 2 times 22 times 10. Okay. By the time we multiply the 3 of them, what do we get?
400.
Thank you. Remember, we are talking of area. This is so it will give us centimeters square. That is the unit of area.
Yes, sir.
Is circle. Calculate the area of a circle. So it means just part me, I don't know how to draw. Let's assume this is what we want area of a circle. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So question B will now be pi r squared. They gave us the value of pi to be what?
22 over 7.
2 over 7. What is radius? Somebody.
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. Square. That means times 7 centimeter. Okay, this 7 cancel out this one. So this one is giving us like 1 centimeter here. So we have 22 times 7 centimeter times 1 centimeter. And that's
4 centimeter square.
That is the area of the circular base.
I see.
Oh, this class is now look at the next question. Now, a cylinder of height 12 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter is made up of cardboard. Use the value of 3.1 for pi to calculate the total area of cardboard needed to make a closed cylinder. Total area of cardboard needed to make a cylinder open at one end. Now, don't be surprised. This is cylinder. Closed at both ends. This cylinder, when you cover it, it means it is closed. Yes or yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. That is what this question on A is saying, closed cylinder. Okay? But when
differentiate x with differentiate y with respect to x. That's the way you take the question. So, in that case, we are given a question like this, what will it be? Look at the coefficient given and look at the power of that x. Multiply it together.
this is another pi r square. Okay, it is only this one that we have 2 by r plus a. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, from what we have done before now under factorization, this
Yes, sir.
what you see that they have in common, that is very well.
I have by 2 by R.
Thank you. This is the formula. That's always the that. So meaning that the written by R, we have a common. And now the bracket. If you divide this first part by 2 by R, you will get R. Now, if you divide the other part, I think that is we agree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So this one is a capital way of getting the whenever formula. Because if I ask for the correct formula to calculate the political data, you may be thinking of the first one and you write it one there. Two of them are the same. Okay? Because 31 multiplied by, do you understand what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I multiply 2 by 5, 10. Then 10 times 3.1, 31. 5 plus 12, 17. So I multiply this now. What is 31 times 17? I multiply that and tell us the answer. 31 multiplied by 17.
127.
What? 100 what?
527.
Carry the unit then. Meter square.
Yes,
Is that one clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's open at one end. Now it is closed here and it is open here. That is what the question is saying. What did they say? Calculate the total area of cardboard needed to make the cylinder open at one end. Now, the area of this is what? An R square, because this is circular base. Why the area of this? We are not going to area of the area of it. Can tell us the reason. Can tell us the reason.
Because it is open at one end.
It is open. Okay, because it is open. And when it is open, a circular end has not been formed or is not formed. So we cannot say we are using fire. and the eyes. Please do them separately. You can see that this one is so 3.1 times 25. And yes. What is the answer to that? Somebody to do that for us.
77.5.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hello. I asked you to multiply 25. I had told you before what is the meaning of a south. Do it now. This is 1 multiplied by 5. This is 2. 15. 5. I gave you time to do it. So this is 77.5. Then plus, when you multiply this in the bracket, what do you get? 2 times 3.1 times 5 times 12.
372.
That is 31 times 12. Somebody said 37. Is that correct? Times 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so addition of the two will give us what? 8, 5, 9, 7.
449.5.
Again?
449.5.
For what?
449.5. 9.5.
Thank you very much. That is the area of the cathode needed to make a cylinder that is open at one end.
That's right.
Is that yes?
Yes, sir.
I want you to try this one. Look at the first one. Everybody, look at this. You cannot use this problem. Okay. Calculate the curved surface area of a cylindrical container with this dimension. Take the value of 5 to be 3.14. Round the final answer to two significant figures. See now, see this question, if I tell you, it's not only about calculating the surface area, then it will also remind you of how to do the approximation to two significant figures. So there's no topic you will do and say, thank God you have passed that topic. You can't see it. Whether you were taught this in primary or secondary, whatever. See now, you are supposed to come back to it to make use of it. So there's no topic you are going to leave behind and say, thank God you have left that topic. You are no more in SS1. You don't do approximation. Okay. We have to calculate curved surface area, CSA. Curved surface area. Are we doing the work?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Finish? Yes. Okay, that is on that surface area. The space I left there is for correction. But I want us to at least, if we can't finish this topic today, at least be able to do like 2 or 3 objectives. The next objective is volume of a cylinder. volume is the amount of space in a container. So, like what amount of liquid can this cylinder contain? That is what this volume is all about. The volume of cylinder is area of circular base and height of the cylinder. This is a cylinder. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is a cylinder. So when you are to calculate volume, it means the area of this circular base, which is by r square multiplied by this height. That is what you are seeing here. So volume of a cylinder is equal to what? By r square h. Please take note of all these things. They are very, very important. By r square h, that is the volume of cylinder. And I have something here. 1,000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay, that is conversion. When they ask you to calculate volume, and another person asks you to calculate capacity, the two of them are the same. The difference is just that volume, they always give it in centimeter cube. Capacity will be in liters. So which means we are going to change centimeter cube to liter. Once we change it to liter, you have calculated the capacity. But let's leave that one a story. When we are doing the day calculation, I believe you understand it better. Now, let's see example. That is the formula. So you take note of that formula. Very important. How many liters does a cylindrical can 46 centimeters in diameter and 20 centimeter height contain? We are going to use the volume, the formula for volume. Remember they asked us how many liters? That is the capacity. So you will just say that volume of can is equal to pi r square h, which means pi, they said 22 over 7, so that will be 22 over 7 times pi. They did not give us radius, but they give us diameter. Since radius is not given and diameter is given, how do we get radius from diameter?
Diameter divided by 2.
Thank you very much. So half of diameter is the radius. Now they give us diameter as 14. So the radius is going to be half of 14, which is 7 over 1 times 7 again. Since it is square, then times the height, which is 20 over 1. This will remove one of the 7s. Then we have 22 times 7 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Remember, this one is centimeter too. So we multiply the whole of this. Yes, 22 times 7 times 20. What do you get? The multiplication of the three numbers.
380 centimeter cube.
Because there are we said how many liters? So this one now, remember we said 1,000 centimeter cube is because and that is 3.080 liters. Therefore, There are 3 letters. That's all. Because the rest, they are not up to letters. They say how many letters. Hope you understand what I'm saying. How many
Yes,
letters
sir.
does this letter? So there are 3 letters. That is the end of that one. Can we try this one? Let's try this one now, everybody. Let's try this one. Hello, hello. This is the example 2. I want us to do it before we do it together. This one is serve as our class activity here. We have limited time. Please do that. A drum 40 centimeters in diameter contains 8 liters of oil. Use the value of pi to calculate the depth of the oil in the drum. Now I put it here to remind you, depth of the drum means the height of the drum. No, when the drum is like this, depth there simply means how deep the drum is. Which is the same thing as the height. How that one is clear. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Try the second question.
Yes, sir.
1 minute has gone. Two 2 minutes more. One minute more.
So I have an answer.
Now, tell us.
70 centimeter cube.
Remember, you are calculating the height. Calculate it. you are looking for. You are looking to make 8. It is centimeter. It is centimeter. Why this one is in liters? So it is easy for us to change this one to centimeter. And how do we change it to centimeter?
Multiply by 1,000.
Thank you very much. Multiply by 1,000. That is like this. So it has become centimeter. So others too are now in centimeter. So they are all in the same unit. This and this. Sorry. We are making H the subject of formula. Now we have like this. It that's why more on bread. 8,800. Yeah, right? 8,800. Cancel out the 8,800. So we have H equals to this 2 0. Cancel the 2 0 from here.
I'm not done.
can just screenshot. The question is for you to do later. It's like a practice question. Yes, for you to know that okay, the topic I did now is well taken by me. So screenshot it, you do it later. You do that one later. We move on to cone. Cone is also a three-dimensional shape. Look at the properties. It has two faces, one flat circular face and one curved surface. Okay, that is the property. One pattern. Now, surface area of cone. When we're talking of surface area, cone has two surfaces. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it has a circular face, that is this part, and it has a curved surface, making two faces. But when we are talking of the properties, it has one pattern. This is the pattern, the pointed edge. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So for what we are concerned with this is the formula. Formula for surface area of the cone. Now, the surface area of this circular is by r squared because it is a circle. This one, to look at it very well, we normally call it slant height. Okay? Now, that is the curved surface area of the cone is equal to this by RL. The curved surface, that is this place. This is the curved surface of a cone. That part you hold. You all know the ice cream cone. That part you hold is the curved surface. And the formula to calculate the area of that one is by RL. This L means slant height. Slant height. That is the L. Now, just take note of that. The curved surface area of cone is by RL. So when you are asked to calculate total surface area of cone, it means you have curved surface plus the circular face. Curved surface is by RL. The circular face is by R squared. This is the total surface area of a cone. Total surface area of cone is CSA, curved surface area plus area of the circular face by RL plus by R squared. And when you factorize it, it gives this. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want you, all of you, to try this example. We may stop here today, but let's try this example, everybody. What we need is the formula. Now we know the formula. A cone has a base radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. Calculate its slant height. You can see one very easy. You need to sketch the diagram. A cone. This is a cone. A cone has a base radius. This is the radius, yeah? 5. When they are saying height is 12, the height does not mean this one. No, this is the height of the cone. You see that? It said calculate the slant height. The radius is 5, the height is 12. The slant height is this one here. So if you look at it now, we have a right angle triangle. What method do you think we are going to use to get the slant height?
Pythagoras.
We are going to use Pythagoras theorem. Can you see it again? Pythagoras theorem is a topic you have done, I don't know when, but you can see it now. We are adopting that method here. Now, use the Pythagoras theorem to get the slant height, everybody. And tell us what you get so that we can proceed. 30 seconds to do that. Okay, somebody said 13 is the slant height. Now let's do it together to make it clearer. We don't have time on our side. I say sketch the information. The reason is so that you will understand it clearly. Now I am drawing my cone. Now the cone is like this. They said the base radius is 5. That is from here to here, 5. The height, this is the height, is 12. And if you look at it now, this height, the base, and this, they have formed a right angle triangle. So the slant height we are looking for is this place. I call it L. That is what they ask you to look for. So we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. That side is the longest side. So L squared is equal to 12 squared plus 8. Sorry, 5 squared. And this is 144 plus 25. So meaning that L squared is equal to, when we add these two together, we have 169. So L is equal to the square root of 169. So L equals 2. So the slant height is 13. Now that is, thank you, 13 centimeters. That is question A. Question B is calculate its total surface area. Who can remind us the total surface area of home?
By R L plus by R squared.
Okay, thank you. I told you here it requires numeratic formula. So, okay, we have a pi R L plus pi R. It says something. Leave the answers in terms of pi if pi is involved. I think that is why they did not give us the value of pi. It means we should leave the pi there and we will not change the value. So pi is pi. Then when you factorize this, you have by R bracket R plus L. So pi is there already. What is R?
What does L represent?
They are not following. Slant I. Slant I. That is what we calculated. That is what we calculated here. That is the L slant I. So by R, that is our radius is 5 centimeters according to the question. The height is 12. So that is 5 by 5.